Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to share with you my favorite stovetop spicy cheesy meatball recipe. It's easy to make guys, full of great flavor and incredibly versatile. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So with this recipe guys, I'm using 1 pound 92% lean, 8% fat. We're gonna place that in a bowl. Then we're gonna go ahead and add Parmesan cheese. We're gonna also add in Panko breadcrumbs. I like using Panko guys. Then we're gonna add minced garlic, then set that aside. Next, in a food processor, we are going to blend together Serrano peppers, fresh parsley, onions. We're gonna also add in a 1/4 cup of water. Guys, if you don't have a food processor, I recommend using a box grater to grate the onion into smaller pieces before adding it to the mix. The mixture looks good guys, we don't want it fine. We're gonna add it to the ground beef mixture in the bowl. Next, we're gonna season with salt and black pepper. Then using your hands, mix ingredients until evenly combined, being careful not to overmix the ingredients. Okay, this looks good. Now, using a medium cookie scoop, scoop and stuff mozzarella cheese in the middle and roll the mixture into 2 tablespoon balls and place them on a plate. One thing I like about this recipe guys is so versatile. You can fry the meatballs or you can bake them. It works great both ways. But today we are going to fry the meatballs. If you don't like fried meatballs guys, I have some recipes for oven baked meatballs. I'll leave the link somewhere up here. Go check them out. I love hearing from you guys. Please share some of your favorite meatball recipes and how you like to serve them. This recipe yields about 8 large meatballs. Now we're gonna go ahead and fry them. Next, over medium-high heat in a large skillet, add 2 tablespoons of oil. As soon as the oil starts sizzling, add meatballs. Fry the meatballs 2 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, flip the meatballs and cook for another 2 minutes. Now that the meatballs are brown on all sides, we're gonna go ahead and add diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. We're gonna also season with black pepper and salt and dried basil. Stir everything together, then cover with the lid and let it cook on medium-low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the sauce will reduce. Then we're gonna add parsley. One thing I like about this recipe, guys, is so versatile. You can serve with your favorite sauce, Swedish cream sauce, American barbecue sauce, Thai curry, and so much more. There you have it, guys. Stovetop spicy cheesy meatball recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Boi's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. If you want the ingredients and measurements, they are all listed in the description box down below the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my